What's up, YouTube? It is Ojama here. It's tips here. I just want to talk about like YouTube tips here. But before we hop into the tip, I just want to ask you please to subscribe to the channel, help it grow. Comment, like, subscribe, share it to your friends, whatever. But most importantly, subscribe. So I just kind of want to talk real quickly about a video. Fuck. Well, whatever. Raw and authentic. That's what I'm going for anyway. So I don't like to reshoot anyway. So today's video I want to talk about is how to grow on YouTube, how to actually grow on YouTube. This is how you grow on YouTube. The first step, post and keep posting. Just never stop posting, and then wait for the feedback. Okay, so just never stop posting and don't make any changes to your content until people start telling you to. Okay, so if you post, then the algorithm will see that you're a daily poster, weekly poster, whatever you are. Okay, and I'm not saying like make good content, make a lot of content. I'm just saying to post. Whatever you can do, just do it. Do it consistently. Whatever you can do. If it's once a week, try to work up to twice a week. Try to work up to whatever. But start at where you're at. So start at where you're at. Post once a day. I go for once a day. Once a day is where I shoot for. So for instance, here, if we look at my analytics, you can see this bar. I'm trying to post as much as possible. Some days it's double posting. Some days I miss, but then I follow up with a double post, and then I get a triple post that next day or whatever, because I streamed twice that day and I made a post. So anyway, why do we do that is because once the algorithm sees that once YouTube sees that you're not just like an inactive channel, you're an active channel, it'll just eventually start spitting you out. And especially too, if you're consistent and you're doing the one thing doing the one thing, just posting. Okay, so then wait. The second step to grow is to just wait, okay? So if we come down here, I got to find the comment here, but I'll show you what happened. Here we go. It's coming here. Right here. This channel, this content here, or this community, does it keep that spot? Whatever, it doesn't keep it, whatever. But if you can't listen to a 2-minute video, you ain't gonna make it. But anyway, yeah, I heard that it's a common theme on the YouTube growth space right now. So you probably heard that from other people. But anyway, if you can see here from my my channel here, in the last 28 days, I've doubled views, I've doubled watch time, I've gotten 94 more subs than usual. I'm finally starting to pop off, and the reason why I'm doing that is because all I did was post. Right? Can I roll this back to 90 days or something? Right. Okay. Last 28 days. Let's do lifetime. Okay. No, it doesn't show. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. So we start off. Not a lot is happening. Content. This is kind of confusing. Whatever. Who cares? You get the idea. I was not doing this good before. Okay. That's all I'm saying here. So what happened to pump me to double my growth metrics is that I got a comment, and then it said it's kind of hard to grasp the concept of what you're doing without watching all your videos to get up to speed. Am I correct in assuming you're using blah 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 blah? But what happened is it's kind of hard to grasp the concept of what you're doing without watching all your videos to get up to speed. So then that told me what I needed to do to add to all of my new videos. So that was 3 days ago. Never mind, this wasn't it. Oh, man. It was that one and another one. But they were pretty much telling me that they have no idea what's going on. I kept getting comments saying, like, I have no idea what's going on, with no idea what's going on. So then what I did then, I started adding to all of my content here is an intro. And we have... I don't know. I don't know when I put it in. I think it's right here. Right here is when I did it. This is when I put in the intro. I put an intro in my videos. And we'll watch it together so you guys can see it. Infernal Cape, the Colosseum, Quest Cape, maxing, all mighty achievement, but never really seemed to interest me. Every 99 I've ever gotten has only left me with a fleeting sense of accomplishment. Every quest, level, piece of gear, all mere stepping stone. But for what? What is the point of any of this? Money. So here's the game. I'm going for max plat tokens, and I'm going to do this by making 10,000 accounts and then operating them by hand to trade and try to get maximum platinum token. That is 2.147 trillion GP. To put this further into a perspective, that is enough to buy 160,259 bonds and have membership paid for 8,012 years. Or a darker path. A player could sell this on the black market right now for roughly $392,000. But that's not what I'm going to do. If I hit this target, I'm going to stare that temptation in the face and throw the ring into Mordor by giving all that money back to the community in some sort of drop party or a giveaway. No botting, no breaking TOS, all legit. So let's get after it. This is the road to max plat. Oh, what is up, everybody? It is, and that right there is why now my views have been pumping, but not just views. People know what I'm talking about now, so I got 5 subs off that. What is another one? This one that got like 17 likes or something like that? I don't remember. Where was that one? 12 likes. I don't know. Ever since I started putting that on there, right here. 20 subs, bro. 20 subs, 21 watch hours, 700 views, 2,100 or 21 watch hours in a 5-minute video. And if you don't know this for YouTube, if you have 11 hours a day is what you're shooting for. If you can get 11 hours a day, that is enough to meet the threshold for the 1,000 watch hours. So yeah, if we bring up a calculator, take 11 times 365, that's the 4,000. That's the 4,000 watch hours for the year. So then if you get 11 hours per day, but yeah, that was a 5-minute video I made with the intro that I'm copy pasting in every video now. It's a solid intro. I spent a day working on it. I just did what I did, you know what I mean? And ever since I did that, boom, blowing up. So yeah, there's my quick tip for whatever. I'm gonna chuck this up right now. I got other videos coming soon, but please comment, like, subscribe. I'm finally like a YouTuber. We're waiting for me to become waiting for the review. Once the review happens, I'll have my partnership, which I'm gonna start streaming 3-4 hours a morning. I'm gonna try to do that, try to like farm super chats, get Patreon membership, stuff like that. Or not Patreon, but the YouTube membership and stuff like that. So I'm finally like a real YouTuber, and it's finally awesome because I've been trying to really get out there, really prove what I'm talking about. But then I'm finally going to get some, I don't know, I'm just hyped. Thank you. Please comment, like, subscribe. Peace out.